Hi everybody, my name is Lena. Today was my first day of cosmetology school and we got our cosmetology kit, and I really wanted to show you what was in my Paul Mitchell cosmetology kit. So the first thing that we received was this bag here. Super cute. Peace, love, and happiness. And then and they give you this makeup portfolio. I'll go over that later. And then they also give you the Paul Mitchell, the school Pasadena. That's where I'm going. And then they also gave me the tea tree thingy, that shampoo, conditioner, and then also another thickening shampoo, lemon sage. And then they gave you the color. I'll show you here. This is gonna be like our Bible. And then we have some flexible style, hot off the press. These are all Paul Mitchell full size. This is a sculpting foam. Soft style. I'm not too sure what that is, but I will figure it out soon. And then this is a restyling mist. Okay, and that was it for this bag here. Also, what we got was our iPad. So we are going to be doing a lot of our things through the iPad. So we have the different apps that we're going to be using. So similar to that. I will show you more about that, but your iPad, very high tech. And then we have our mannequin heads. So this is Casey. Her name is Casey right here. Literally, her name is Casey. She has beautiful hair. And I have 2 of them for now. They said that eventually throughout the class, we'll have 7 heads in total. So we'll be practicing on them first before we practice on live people, which is good. Okay, so now I want to show you what's inside the kit. I want to show you what the kit looks like. Oh, it's so heavy. So this is the kit that they give us. And it's nice because it has wheels. And then you can pull this all the way up. Well, you can pull this all the way up and pull it, which is really nice. And it says Mitchell right at the top. You know me, I'm gonna decorate this. You're gonna know which one is mine. And let me show you what's inside. So first, you have this top tray here. So we just got our kits today, so I haven't organized everything the way I want it yet. But we have this top tray here, and what I did was I just put my metal clips in here so they don't fall out. And then we have a bunch of combs. So they're all Paul Mitchell combs. So this is the 416. This is the cutting comb. This is the exact same 1424 though, also cutting comb. And then this one also is the 408. This is the 429. 814. 109. And this is the detangler comb. And then the straight razor, which I haven't taken out yet because I don't want the razor to get dull. So there's that. And then we also have a hair blow dryer. So that. And it also comes with these two little guys. Also a spray bottle. Cute, huh? And then we have the curling. This is the Marcel curling iron. I'm gonna have to learn how to use this because it's like, it doesn't latch on by itself. You literally have to do it by yourself. And then we have a manicure kit. I'm gonna show you what's inside. There you go. That's inside. And then we also have, so while the clippers, because I don't think Paul Mitchell's has clippers. So this is the one that we have. And then we have a straightening iron. And then, ta-da! They give us this little holder, and it's gonna hold my paddle combs, my combs, my circular ones. So, let's see that. Yeah, super nice. And then we have the cape. So when I cut your hair. And then also the water cape. So when I wash your hair. And then last, oh, I also have this coloring paddle. And last but not least, my shears. Super excited to cut hair, guys. And so that is basically everything that's in the Paul Mitchell Cosmetology kit. That's it. Have a good one. Oh, and one last thing that I forgot is that they also give you a tripod for the mannequin heads. So let me just show you really quick. I don't know how to use it yet, but they also have a tripod for the mannequin head, so you can like, okay, bye.